We have seen how easy it is to print something, but sometimes it happens too fast, and there are times when we want to print things a little slowly to give the users time to read first what has been printed before printing another. How do we do this? By sleeping. So let's import time. Sleep is inside time, so we have to import it. Let's print 3. The app prints 3. Then time dot sleep. We call sleep inside time. The number in parentheses sets how many seconds we want the app to sleep. So let's print 2 time that sleep 2. Then the app sleeps again for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the app will wake up and print 2. Before that, let's print 1, then print 1 time that sleep 2. The app is very tired today. Let's print 0. Let's put time that sleep 7. Let's sleep for 7 seconds. Let's print by now. So let's run the sleep tutorial. So remember, sleeping helps kids grow taller and apps slower. Bye.